Dang, that's my bloody.
Yeah, be outside. Fucking security just rolled up on a bike. Yeah, that's kind of like most oddest shit ever. Bougie boy. It's a good fit. The baggy, the rock star. The baggy rock star. Baggy rock star. Zag. Where them niggas at? Big fucking rolling nigga, yeah. You ain't going in yet, did you? No, I ain't. That shit busting right now too.
I just had this nigga Ethan Jersey cheat on that nigga.
Oh, it's about to start raining. Oh yeah, we about to move in that. Got that motherfucker rolling. I ain't gonna lie, this shit looks tough.
Smoking on dope and it don't come from Kensington. Hand in hand serving, look at my neck glistening. Hold up, my neck is glistening. Came out the water, I drip like a christening. When my Cartier wides, been walking and chasing, I make a deposit. Too many hundreds and too many 50s, I don't need a wallet. My bitch keep on bitching cause we in Miami, she wanna do tropics. Just being honest, if I go broke, then I'm just selling my closet. It's so much cause I spent the Bugatti. My bitch is thicker than Megan the Hottie. Lamb of the double R, can't do the Mozzie. Dior the print, I got all on my body. Ooh. I push your button, I don't need valet when I'm choosing to park it. Crib got amenities, came a long way from the public apartment. Ooh. This morning, I'm counting on Benjamin. Smoking on dope and it don't come from Kensington. Hand in hand serving, look at my neck glistening. Hold up, my neck is glistening. Came out the water, I drip like a christening. When my Cartier wides, been walking and chasing, I make a deposit. Too many hundreds and too many 50s, I don't need a wallet. My bitch keep on bitching cause we in Miami, she wanna do tropics. Just being honest, if I go broke, then I'm just selling my closet.
Oh my, that's when I say y'all rich. You funny? Funny?
I'm about to go to the studio and right up the block.
How you doing, baby?
my YouTube vlog shit every day. I'll find somebody to edit this shit gonna be movie.
It's on geeked up.
Oh man. Oh man, it bruised. Bad, what's going on?
I remember spoiling for y'all niggas for like 3 or 4 months about to drop.
Graduate, congratulations. It's up busting cameras on my beat, but I got heated with my feet.
Your bag, no tag.
Gas, this bitch gon' turtle. I can't catch a break, I'm in the war zone.
I'm looking for it, right? Who got it? Who else will have it?
What?
Look at him.
Mine. I can't think of the number. How much is this? $20? Don't do puffs. Smoke weed, don't do puffs.